welcome back to my channel. I'm grateful to have you guys here. Today I'm basically showing you guys how I created this look right here. It's a very simple, natural look with a little bit of highlight, a little bit of blush, and a nude lip. So let's get started. The palette that we're working out of today is by Scarlet, and this is their palette number 4. The color that we're starting off with is Adorable, and we're basically just going to start our eyeshadow build by this nice elegant pink, and we're basically just covering up our entire lid. Now that we have our base color down, we're going in with a new color called Sagittarius, and this one is basically going to give it that deepen pink look. So we're basically just focusing on the middle part of our lid now. That's all the color that we're adding for this natural look today. So now we're just going to go in with our eyeliner, and this is the basic black liquid eyeliner by Beauty Treats, and I always use this one or the nano liner to do the inside of my wings, and then I like to finish up that wing extension with the e.l.f. liquid black eyeliner. Your girl finally got some new eyelashes. These are the Christina 3D lashes, the number 907s. This is the first time I'm using them, but so far I really like them because it has like 2 layers of eyelash, which gives it a more dramatic look, so I don't have to use as much mascara to fluff them, so that's really nice. The mascara that I'm using for this video today is the Intenseif-Eye by Newyork. If you like my videos, be sure to smash that subscribe button and follow up by hitting that little bell. That way you get all the notifications whenever I drop new content. I have some pretty exciting stuff coming on in my I Literally Can't playlist, along with some inspired Disney princess makeup looks. So yeah, what you guys waiting on? For my under lash line today, I'm using the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil Eyeliner, and you know, I always use this one because it's really easy to use, it's really smooth and highly pigmented, so this is like my go-to pencil liner. I also got a new liquid foundation. This is the LA Girl Proface Warm Caramel Liquid Foundation. I know I said I was giving my face a break, but you know, I feel like I've been doing really good with that, so now I'm gonna go ahead and do like the full face. I like to do half of the liquid foundation and then half light powder. That way it gives it a more balanced look. If I only use liquid, then my face is oily. If I only use powder, then my face is dry. So I like to put a little bit of both in there. I'm highlighting my cheeks today, so this is the Fit Me foundation by Maybelline, and this is the number 330. Now that I'm going in with my powder foundation, this is the warm caramel color as well to the LA Proface. So you know, like I said, I like to do half and half to give a more natural and even skin tone. So now we're going to go back into our Scarlet palette, and we're choosing the color Pinto Grigio, and we're basically using this as a highlighter. For this look, we don't need a lot of highlight. We want like a soft look because, like I said, this is a natural look. So now we're going in into our lip color, and this is a lip color by Tony Dash. It doesn't have a name, just a serial number. I'll leave the name to that in the description below. And this is basically, like I said, a natural lip color that I like to use. It's not really a nude, but it's not really a pink either. So I went in with the NYX whipped liquid cream. I don't know what that's called. I just know it's by NYX, and it's a brown. And I'm basically using that to take away a little bit of that pink. Lastly, we're going in with our mattifying powder. This is the powder by Wet n Wild, and we're only using this to take away some of that shine from that NYX whipped liquid lipstick. And with that, our natural look is complete. Please let me know what you guys think about this look in the comments, and don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe button to make sure you get all of the new content. I'll see you guys in the next one.